What's up, everybody? If you're new to the channel, I'm that boy Twin, and right off the back, if you love cars, if you could just see yourself doing what I'm doing, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I got a lot more coming. But with that being said, man, look at this. What y'all looking at right now is me being the highest bidder on a 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT. Look, this auction was in Southern Illinois on my favorite site, Copart. And for this particular car, it was listed as on approval. And if some of y'all don't know what that means, even if you're the highest bidder, the seller in this case was an insurance company, has to decide whether or not they want to sell it for the price you want it for. Now, this car itself is a repo vehicle with about 65,000 miles on it. Nothing too bad. A little front end damage, nothing too major. Pretty decent, you know. What's up, man? If you're watching this, just know I'm out here freezing to death. It is about -8 outside. I'm waiting on my 2019 Dodge Challenger to get here. The guy said he should be here in about an hour. As soon as he get here, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it right up in the shop, right up under the hoist. And I've been waiting for about 2 weeks to get this. Yes, sir. Yo, let's get it unloaded. All right, got it in the shop. It's looking good. It's looking good. Horribly. What's up, y'all? That boy Twin. I'm in the back of the shop right now, and as y'all see, I got the Challenger here. Been waiting for about 2 weeks to get this. 2 weeks. See, they took the relays out. This would not start even if we tried. I don't know why they did that. So let's see if it gets some power. All right, here it go. Go. Nothing. Wait. Let's see if the radio works. All right, y'all see it get power. We about to go get some fuel for the heater. Yeah. That's what we really about to do. Now what we doing is getting some kerosene for that heater. Can't work in the cold. You got the rubber jean jacket for your girlfriend. That's the easy thing. That's just come with it. You can tell right here. And they got this cheap paint on it. Man, look at this. That's cheaper than cheap. Look at that. It's literally coming off. The inside of this is so nasty. So it's filthy. They must have had the windows open. Rats was in there.
I'm sure rats was
biting up the books. Look at that. That's disgusting. All right, let's see what's in the back.
What's that? That's the wheel well.
That's nasty. See what she did? Hold on. Yeah, it got a hairline.
Is it broke?
It's not broke.
It's not broke.
This is still a good hairline.
It's not broke.
Yeah, come in on this. I got money. Yeah. So we hit the jackpot.
You get money off.
We hit. Got some deodorant for the cameraman.
No,
Get some deodorant. Let's see what else is in here.
These ants all in that bag?
Guess what, y'all? He was a local rapper. Bro, we finding everything in this car. We not even in here halfway.
That's the road, Mike.
All right, we gonna throw that to the front. It's a little dark, but y'all can see, man. This car is junky. Let's go to the other side. So far, so good though. We found the other headlight. That's a wrap. You know what this is? Hey, if y'all from the city and you see this, what that mean? Hello? Shut up. Let's get some air in these tires.